Hey everyone! I've seen many of you create some great videos of yourself explaining concepts for your students. We've used programs like Screencast-O-Matic or Loom to make our videos, and those are great tools. I want to show you another real simple tool for making a quick video to record explanations or solutions to problems. I use it all the time to explain math problems. It's a tool we've had for a long time, but many people don't realize it or have forgotten about it. It is the Smartboard Tools, which includes a screen recorder. To use this, it doesn't matter what program we're in, though I'm going to start my examples with a Smart Notebook, blank canvas, like it's a whiteboard. The way I get to this tool is down at the bottom right corner of my window. I can see a little arrow for Show Hidden Icons. When I click that, I'll see the Smartboard Tools icon. Notice it's got a red X on the corner. That just means I'm not plugged into a smartboard, but that's okay. We can still use the tools. When I click on that, I will see the recorder button. So when I click on the recorder button, it brings up this little recorder screen. As soon as I hit the little red circle to record, it's going to record everything that I do on my screen and record my voice. So if I were, for example, just trying to jot down the solution to a math problem, I can just get a pen, and I'm using a stylus, or in this case my finger, and I can just write a math problem down. And it's a lot easier to do this than it would be just typing it. And then I could demonstrate how to work this problem out and save it for my students. So I could say exponent first, multiply before you add, blah, blah, blah. And when I'm done, I can hit the square to stop recording. It creates a WMV file, and so I'm just going to save that. The WMV files play fine on a Chromebook, so you could just send the file to your students using Google Classroom. Once it's finished saving, you can play the recording, so you can view it back. So I'll stop that. I could bring up this tool and record anything in my Smart Notebook, including if I inserted a picture and used it as a background, as I explained, anything in here. Or sometimes I like to just snip images. Maybe I need this image of this map, and I can go in Smartboard and paste it. And again, if I'm recording as I'm explaining different things, and I can borrow Smart Notebook's tools and point out various things as I do. I can open up a Google Draw or a Google Doc or any other document. Anything I can do in here can be recorded. So if I click on the record button, and then if I'm explaining this to students, if I wanted to drag the solution over and then explain this, I can drag. I could bring in my writing tools. I could drag, or I can highlight, or whatever it is I wanted to do. Whatever I do in here is going to be recorded. So maybe you'll find this little tool helpful. I know I use it all the time. It's great for making quick little videos on the fly and just short little explanations. It's not fancy. It doesn't have an editor, but it's real quick and easy for an explanation type video for my students. Thanks for watching. And as always, if you have any questions, reach out to your ITRT. Thank you.